Have you ever felt like each time you enter a trade, you always make a wrong entry or the market turns against you? Yes. Or perhaps you're just getting started in trading and then you're stuck at deciding which strategy you want to go for. Or perhaps you've tried learning different kind of strategy and it's still giving you tough time understanding forex trading and how to go around the market. Yes, I was once like this and I'll still see that I am still in this process of learning. So when I started trading 2 years ago, I was trying every possibility, every strategy to be able to understand forex trading, but the journey was so difficult that I couldn't even understand what I was doing anymore. So I had to stop because it bored me at the time, because what exactly am I doing? I have no idea. Until early this year, I decided that, okay, let's try this out. Let's give forex trading a chance. And I did give forex trading a chance. So 2 months into the journey, or a month into the journey, I discovered a concept, a strategy named SMC. Now that's smart money concept. So in this video, I'm going to tell you what smart money concept is all about and why you need to give smart money concepts a try, and then how smart money is actually helping you on this journey. I know I'm still new in this journey and I know that I'm still on a journey to become a profitable trader, but there is no bad in giving us what I am studying and everything I will to understand, or everything I am learning on this journey alongside it. I think this will help me build the right community on this channel. So let's get into it. So what is smart money? SMC is actually like an acronym for the word smart money concept. And so what is SMC? SMC focuses on how the big institution moves the market. Institutions like banks, hedge funds, and smart money. So smart money, SMC, is actually built around market structure, order block, liquidity graph, and mitigation. These 4 things built around what SMC is built around: 1, market structure; 2, order blocks; 3, liquidity graph; and 4, built around mitigation. Now these 4 things, if you understand these 4 things, then perhaps you are actually trading with SMC strategy. If you know how to you trade this 4 things, whereas you're trading SMC concept. Now smart money teaches you to read the price action and also anticipate the move of the market. SMC actually think like a predictor. They think and act like a predictor and not as the prey. Why does smart money work? Smart money work because most retailers, traders breakouts or signals, but smart money does the opposite. Smart money sets the traps. They set the trap for the retailers. Why? Because they need liquidity. They set the trap so that the retailers can come in to the trap and then become the liquidity for the smart money to go on with the moves. So now understanding how to use smart money concepts, and it helps you to identify the trap instead of trading the trap. So that is why we see that instead of becoming the prey, you actually become the predator, and that's what smart money does. And understanding how the institution works actually helps you to see the chart differently and as well influence your journey. I won't say that SMC strategy is actually 100%, it works 100%, but I'll tell you why I actually prefer SMC and I choose to stick to SMC. Now, first of all, if you also go for your own strategy, you have to first of all look for a strategy that actually fits your personality. I am someone that smart money actually fits my personality because I love things that are very detailed and has a step-by-step graph. Okay, I know that if I want to actually take a move, or if I want to take a trade in the market, I have to first of all go through this process: market structure. Then after market structure, look for liquidity graph or order block, and then wait for mitigation. Now I see that it's actually following the order. So that's actually the kind of person I am, and I see that okay, SMC actually it fits into my personality. And understanding SMC actually has helped change the way I see forex trading. So now I know that okay, I know that okay, once I see a sign or a move in the market, I'm not supposed to put my trade where I know that, okay, there might probably be a reversal. I'm to wait for a confirmation, because number one, if I don't actually wait for the liquidity, I might end up being the liquidity. I know it's for the liquidity graph, I'm actually end up being the liquidity. It helps me not to like enter the market or to just place a trade before a reversal. I have to wait for a reversal. Why I chose SMC? Like I said earlier, I chose SMC because I've actually tried other strategy like price action. Price action also helps in SMC because the knowledge of price action, I was using it in SMC and it really helps me. There's nothing wrong in adding another conference in trading in your strategy for confirmation. And so I was trying to learn indicator, but it wasn't really clicking. I was trying to learn other strategy, but it wasn't really clicking. But SMC, like I said, it actually goes with my personality, and it helps me it makes me very interested in the market moment. See, honestly, I was a trader that finds it very hard to like read the chart. But when I started doing SMC, like the patience that comes with it, the slow learning, the details in the learning actually helps me to actually like be able to identify some certain thing in the market. From my break of structure, my chalk, that's character was gone. I'm also learning every day, and I've not really started to trade like professionally, I would say, because I'm still like trying to like gather all the knowledge I need. Having too much knowledge without implementing will actually make you doubt yourself in the long run. So what I do is that while I am learning, like I said, SMC is actually more, it gives me this very detailed outline on how to like be about the journey. So as I am learning, I am also practicing. For example, maybe today I'm supposed to learn market structure. So what I do is that after learning the market structure theoretically, I just pause and go to my chart and try to like, okay, let's identify the market structure, let's draw the market structure, the break of structure and the chalk and everything. So once I'm done, when I see that, oh, I am not getting it right, I keep trying until I get it. So once I get it, I move on to the next. So I am not rushing the process. Like I said, it's my kind of thing. It's very detailed and it's very detailed and kind of very realistic. You know, when I was learning the market SMC, and I just realized that, and especially when I started learning liquidity graph, the liquidity in SMC, SMC manipulative heart, I began to understand how it's very easy to become a prey in this trading stuff. And I understand, and I begin to see where, oh, it is actually very wrong to do this, very wrong to do that. But then someone is trading in breakouts might not be able to understand, may not be able to really understand what SMC people are all about, and they will still get their trade. But we SMC people, we actually work with the liquidity, meaning that we get to a reversal before we actually make our entry. If you are just starting to learn SMC, drop a comment below. Let's actually grow together. And then if you are still finding it very difficult to find your place in the market system, or you are still finding it very difficult to understand forex trading, your strategy could actually be the course of it. My strategy was actually one of the major problems that I have. You can give SMC a try. Tell me the strategy you are using and you feel like it's not working for you, and tell me if you like to give smart money a try. And if you are learning SMC and if it's what you are doing, tell us why you started using SMC and how smart money SMC has actually impacted your trade. Remember, I'm still on a journey to becoming a profitable forex trader. Still learning in the journey. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like my video. Don't forget to share. And tell me if you learned one or two things from this video. And see you in my next video. Bye bye.